Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop MacBook immediately require password after sleep. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you don't want your Mac require password after the Mac sleep or the screensaver appear, it's very simple. You can just go to your system preferences. You can open your system preferences. From system preferences, you can go to security and privacy. And from here on the general, you can see the required password. It's set to immediately. If you don't want your MacBook require password immediately after sleep or screensaver begins, you can just select in here. You can choose the time range, maybe for 5 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours. For the example, I will just choose on my 5 minutes. So my MacBook will be require password after 5 minutes it sleeps. Like this. Don't forget to enter your password. So now we have set this time range for your password for your MacBook to require password after sleeps or screensaver begins. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop your MacBook require password immediately after sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.